So let's go plan the map. Now I mentioned about the Madera heating and air conditioning there, but let's go take this little guy and let's go see what are they calling this place today. So today, this is called Madera Marketplace, right? So what we're looking at, come back over here, and when we pull this up, well, this is from May 2015. Why is this always so old and outdated? And here's what's not okay. This here, we've got them dropping off handicapped people right here, right? And over here, you've got this lady. I mean, or it could be a gentleman, but we've got this person handicapped getting off this. This is back in 2015. And trying to be able to get to where you're supposed to go. Well, let's see. We got Salon Centric, who's permanently closed. We've got Payless Shoes, permanently closed. What else do we have over here? We've got Jalisco's, and we've got Sal's, and yes, they are open. We've got LA Mode Plus sizes, permanently closed. Let's go see about that one. What were you doing over here? Now, of course, that's back from 2015. So then we've got Rose's Nails, and I know that Sal's still there. That's cool. But this lady over here, let's see if she's still there. There's Max Express dropping off that handicapped person in 2015. Why are we still looking at this view? I mean, it's really, and this person, I mean, trying to get to where they're going. Even these things are permanently closed, you know? So, what is this used for now? What's this map good for today? This is from 2024. 2141 West Cleveland. So let's go back to look at the Madera heating and air conditioning. All right, because this used to be the name of the mall. So we got this used to be in here, and its address was this. So remember, this took over this parking lot area when we viewed this before. So that, if we click on here, we're going to go look at the photos of 2001. Let's go see the photos. So the photos here are from March of 2026. That's 2121 West Cleveland. We'll go look at that. This one here, I took myself, but I was at Valley Steels. There I am. And this one I took in June of 2024. Now, why is it showing up in Madera heating and air conditioning when I was over here at Valley Steels? Because I did that little picture down here as well. But this one I did showed up in Madera heating and air. There's Madera Marketplace. I don't know why Yosemite Southgate Hotel is a part of this. The Walmart's in here. Sally's is in here. Not quite sure where Learn for Life is at. If it's even still, if it was over here. Let's see. Learn for Life. It says it's located in here. So it says high schools. Here's the pack and save. The pack and save is now Smart and Final. This was December of 2022. Dunkin' Donuts. You'd think, well, that's more than likely over there at Walmart. We've got this one. We've got Sal's. We've got Cleveland Avenue coming in. Okay, so that's Madera Heating and Marketplace. So when we go look at, let's go see, Valley Steels again. See, all of these guys are saying located in Madera Heating and Air. Smart and Final, they just came in. Smart and Final says they are also located there. They're saying that they're at Suite 101. They're not spelling out the word suite. I do believe that that is important. If we go over here to the corner, I mean, this should take us to the location. That's what its purpose is. Is it doing that? It is. But the picture again, 2015. We gotta do something about that, don't you think?